Hi, this tutorial will focus on the read SAP table and join action. In our first tutorial, we discovered how to identify accounts by transaction. Our result looks something like this, where we discover that two accounts have been executing VA01. Now let's say you would like to add first and last name information related to this account. So you know who the person is. So let's walk through the steps. The first thing we're going to want to do is right-click on your workflow in the Model Explorer and choose Copy Here. This will make a copy of our first workflow. Right-click on your new workflow and rename. Let's call it .02. Okay, make sure you select your second workflow. The first thing we want to do is to delete these two boxes here. So one way to do this is to take your cursor and just hold your mouse button down and select both the action and the dataset, and then click delete right on your keyboard. Okay, the next thing we want to do is open your component palette, bring out the read SAP table and join action. So this one here, just take it, drag and drop it right next to your results. Now I'm going to hide my Model Explorer by clicking this. Let's call this result 1 here. I just selected my previous results and change in the label and the property editor. Now let's make this our source, the result 1 our source to our read SAP table and join action. In order to do that, click on the drop down for source and select result 1. The table name, click on the drop down and choose edit and type in USR21. The RFC destination will be the same, so use the one that's on your canvas already, so you don't do a new one. Don't select edit, select the third option, the one that's already out there. And we'll need a new result that will come out of this action, so choose new table. First click on the drop down for results and then choose new table. Now we would need to do the key map here. So if I look in my source, what I want to do is map in account to the table. I know the USR21 table has the same information, but it's called bname, so we're going to map account to bname. Click on the drop down for key map, choose edit, and then do this little plus sign here on the right, and for name 1, type in account. So name 1 will be the source, and the name 2 will be the name that's within the table, within your read SAP table and join action. Then this will be bname. So we're mapping account to bname, click save, and then click your save icon up here. Okay, and then last, let's add. So click the drop down for add, click edit, and then I click the lookup up here. So what we're going to add is the person number. We need this person number to join with another table to find the first and last name. So select person number, click OK, and then click save. And then click F8 on your keyboard. Right click view details, so I have the person number. And now what we need to do is go back to your component palette and drag another read SAP table and join action over to your result. Okay, let's call this results and the label here USR21 results. Now let's make that the source, and USR21 will be the source to this new SAP table and join. Notice the orange rim will hover over all of the options on the canvas. So I want this one, USR21 results. Okay, the table name, choose edit. Now, in this table, we need to read ADRP. Click Save RFC Destination. Choose the one that's already on the canvas. There'll be a new result coming out. Click the plus sign. Our key map will be person number to person number. So both tables have the same key. Click Save and click Save up here in the upper left. And let's add our columns. So on the ads, click Edit, select Lookup. What we want are the name first, name last fields. So click these two, click OK, click Save and click F8 on your keyboard. Double click, so I see I have my first and last names of my data. So I'm just going to reorder these fields to type, name, account, count. I don't need this person number, so I just need the first and last names. So let's use SQL for this and execute SQL. Let's call this results, ADRP results. And let's make that the source to our SQL statement here. And there'll be a new result coming out. So select New Table and then click F3 on your keyboard and then insert row. Now you type in the information as you see me typing on screen. Quick save and F8. Thank you very much for watching.